guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a saver. So in case you guys are looking for a saver, then definitely this review will help you. So this is the head saver. This one is from Amazon. Okay, so this is the head saver. This is the cover. The charging port. You can charge here. This is for trimming your nose. These are the things. So now it's showing 90 minutes. So I think you don't have to charge it all the time. 90 minutes is fully charged. You can charge it and it's cordless, so it's really easy. You can turn it around here and so this way you can use it. Is it working fine? It's
it clean?
Yeah, it's clean. It hurts?
No.
Yeah. He is using this one and it works fine. It doesn't need even any soap. It works fine with the water.
Yes. And no hair. Like now you can clean it like this, right? Let me show. Like you can do like this. And then open each one like this. And then you can clean it. I don't have much, beard, that's why. But anyways, if you have bigger beard, you cannot use it anyway. You have to first trim it using
the other saver they gave.
Yes. So all the beard is inside here. So you just use.
You can use it.
Yeah. Maybe you can wash it too, because I don't think any battery component here. So let's wash it.
Now it looks inside.
You can clean it with
Yeah, you can clean it with water. So
let me close it like this. So these are all attachments, right? So this is a triangular shape. Yeah, it just fits like this, and then you just put here. Is it okay? So like this, you can see like this. So it's working.
yeah.
And this another attachment they have. This one is for really in the. This is more heavy, but this one is little lighter. Same thing.
Yeah, but this the good thing is that you don't have to charge it all the time. It stays battery almost like 90 minutes, so that's really good.
Okay. The attachment is for nose, I know for sure. This one you open it and then put it like this, and then for any nose area you just put in.
Yeah, you cleaning? Yeah, that's good.
This is for nose. This is really good.
And this one is, if you have longer beard, then definitely these things will help you. He has short beard, so so you can use this one because you have like a very small beard. So you can clean also, right?
Yeah, like this. You can open it and clean it. So
all these parts.
So individually you can just open it like this. You just hold from the side and open it like this. So the way you can open it, hold from one side and stab and open it. So like that, then you can clean it, whatever is your hair inside, right? That's about it. I think that's what it is on the inside, and then you can open it like this. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, for the beard, it's like a really great one.
Yep, and I can show you while after opening also. See, it is rotating. That's all inside. It's rotating. But let me close it. This is rotating, right? So as you press it, it will be rotating inside. Okay, there is a layer which revolves or vibrates. When it oscillates, it just helps you cut your beard. It oscillates to and fro. So it's just easy. It's very easy plug and play. You can just pull it and then push. And it just gets in only one direction. So there is no way you can miss it. Only one direction. So any other direction it will not work. So only one direction it will get in.
So it's really easy to use. Yeah, for the hair aging, definitely you can use this.
Yeah, for aging you can definitely use it. Aging. It's a great tool because you can charge it also. You know?
And stays 90 minutes charge, so that's a good one.
And it shows the,
digital
display and all these things. That's a really good thing. And it also shows you, like when I turn it on and turn it off. When I turn it on and turn it off, availability time 82 minutes. Right?
Yeah.
When you turn it off, time of use 5 seconds. Means in this run, how much time I use?
Yes. So that's a good feature.
Yeah.
And it looks also really nice.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I'll definitely recommend to buy this one. It's a good, nice little tool.
He tried with his beard and it works fine, and he really likes it. If you want to gift someone, like from your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, definitely this one is like a really great product. Definitely they will like it because it's really compact and looks nice, and the quality is also really good, and not very heavy and really compact. So yeah, I don't have any complaint for this one because the way they have described it works exactly like this way, and it's very handy and very easy to use. Great one. It works really well. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next